Hey guys, it's your girl Key. Thanks for clicking on me. Today I am presenting you with Endless Profits Reloaded. Guys, so Endless Profit Reloaded is a course and it is introducing you to new software and it is teaching you how to optimize your software. This course slash training software is going to explode your online business because the person behind this has spent over 4 years perfecting their craft on how they have achieved a successful online business online, guys. This is super duper insane. I never seen nothing like this. It's really straight to the point. You just gotta watch all the videos. Make sure you stop and implement when you are instructed, and you will see results, guys. This is backed by a real case study. If you're interested in learning how to make a profitable business online, make sure you stay into the end because I will be introducing my super duper insane bonuses to scale this online profits, even though it has absolutely everything you need, but they was missing a few things, and that's how you will be making that money online through my super duper insane bonuses because your girl got you. All right. So, like I said, if you're interested, make sure you stay into the end because you do not want to miss a thing. So let's get into this review. Alright guys, we are now on the sales page of Endless Profits Reloaded. Okay, so this is what they talking about. But before I tell you what they talking about, please do your girl a favor. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Make sure you hit that bell. I want to hear that bell ring. Alright, but let's get into this thing. So right here, so it says Endless Profits is a set and forget passive income blueprint combined with a proven free buyers traffic formula in a done-for-you passive funnel. Watch over the shoulder how I manage to create $2,000 a week income using the power of affiliate marketing and my new leads generating tool in a 40-minute day action plan. This don't involve no product creation, no tech skills needed, and 100% free traffic built in, guys. Super duper insane. All right, this is 100% beginner friendly, proven system of making commissions from scratch, baby. From scratch, you don't need nothing but this information in here. And automated one-time setup pays us over and over again. Copy and paste templates done for you. Passive income funnels are included. Okay, he has packed this course, training, and this software information, bro, with a lot of stuff that don't make no sense. And on the sales page, he is giving you some free sauce. If you want to check out this free sauce, he is putting you onto how to get free leads through Facebook, guy. Free hot leads. This is a 7-minute little short tutorial. If you want to watch it, make sure you go to my description or in my comments because I'll be posting my link to Endless Profits in both of those places, so it'll be easy for you to access. If you want to watch the tutorial on how to get free hot leads through Facebook, make sure you come and watch this video, guys. I want to head over to the inside of Endless Profits. All right, guys. So right here we are on the dashboard, and this is the welcome. So everything you need to know is going to be on the left side of the inside of the dashboard in the training course. So right here you have Freedom Breakthrough Boot Camp. Register for a free life-changing boot camp. All right, guys. I like that word, boot camp, because you know you're going to be getting the work done. Like, we ain't playing around. We ain't playing. We got to make this money online. We got to. This is like new generation. Like, bruh, you see what they doing in the world, but I ain't going to talk about this. We talking about endless profits. We talking about endless profits, guys. But yes, this is super duper awesome. If you want to like transition from working for somebody else and being your own boss and working from home or working from any place that has an internet connection, this is literally the training for you guys. Right here, this says the game changer, best leads generating tools in your business right here. This is the intro of everything. This is Meet L Messenger Pro. Get your copy of L Messenger Pro. So then you have to make money as an affiliate with L Messenger Pro. So he putting you onto this new software, and he helping you make money with a new software that he just introduced. It's just introduced. My tongue is twisted. That he just introduced you to. Boom! I said it. Give me a round of applause. I made it to the top. All right, guys. This is automated income funnels. Watch this first. Free funnel builder in all-in-one marketing platform. You're gonna have the passive income funnels. That's what you're talking about. Those free funnels he gonna put you on. So you don't even gotta be doing most of this work. He got some of this work already done for you in the front end price, which is super duper insane because you got the done for you funnels, how to connect your funnels with the autoresponder. Then you gotta be introduced to the softwares and tools you're going to need to connect your funnels. And then you have the paid traffic strategy. Strategy. That's what I'm talking about. You got the solo ads, resource you can trust. And you have use endless traffic funnels to get free traffic from 2 different traffic sources. So he's gonna help you how to get buyers traffic and free traffic all in this one course. Just if you don't got no extra money like laying around, it's okay because he's gonna teach you how to get free traffic. And a business without traffic is like no business at all. So that's super dope. If you ain't got no extra money, it's okay, because he got you with the free traffic way. So right here, daily income producing activities. Watch this first. You got to make sure you watch all these videos from first, second, third, like you counting 1, 2, 3 like that. 1, 2, 3. Do not be skipping around these videos because it's very, very vital information in each one of these videos, and you have to take this super duper serious to make actual money online, to make the money that he is promising you. And then this is the list building blueprint, guys. He is giving you the blueprint on how to optimize your list, okay? Because a lot of people got a list, but a lot of people don't know how to optimize it. Right here, you got list growth calculator, you got list building segmentation, you got how to create a rotator, you have done for you letters, profit swipes, how to send broadcast messages, how to scale your profits, and the softwares and tools you need to pick up when it comes down to utilizing your email list to help even increase your income online, guys. Because you get that traffic, you get that list building, it's gonna go stupid when it comes down to you being literally an independent entrepreneur. That's what we're here for. We're here to make money online. You don't want nobody wasting your time. All right, right here you got the list jacking traffic. So right here, this is gonna show you how to get some more free traffic when it comes down to list jacking. He's literally showing you step by step on how to do it. So make sure, if you are interested in this product anyways, so if you're interested, make sure that you follow this step by step. You have follow new launches on the calendar site, how you can create review videos, creating bonuses pages. You have the social signals for your review videos. You even be getting the insights on how to link backlinks to your videos. You're gonna get the index to your backlinks, YouTube ratings, and related videos is the source to your YouTube views, guys. If you didn't know that, you're gonna have the upgrades if you want the upgrades, and all other vendor bonuses in which you'll be getting with my link below. And I'm just gonna head over to my sales page. Well, not my sales page, actually my bonus page, because this is the best part of the video. So let's get into these bonuses, because without these bonuses, you're not gonna be making as much as money that you can. Okay, baby, let's get into it. You got bonus number 1. This is endless profits. Oh, and I forgot to even tell you guys that my mentor, Jonah Armstrong, if you don't know who Jonah Armstrong is, like, bruh, he has created Ministry of Freedom, and he is setting people free from their 9 to 5. He has collaborated with me when it comes down to picking out these bonuses for you guys. So let's get into it. Endless Profits Reloaded. Get 7 deadly sins of email marketing to make sure that you are keeping track of your buyers. Learn all there is to learn about email marketing. So if you're interested in Endless Profits, guys, make sure you hit up my link in my description or in my comments, because like I said, I'll be putting them in both places. Hit up those links and press any of these yellow buttons on my bonus page to get your copy of my free bonuses. Did I say this is a limited time offer? If I didn't, guys, I forgot to tell you, it's only 4 days left until you be able to receive all of these free bonuses, guys, from me and my Mr. Jono Armstrong. So if you're interested and you really want to take this online marketing game serious, you got to act fast. We got 4 days for you guys. But let's get back into these bonuses. We got bonus number 2. This is the Endless Profits. Learn how to get a better conversions, guys. Yes, you get leads, but you need those leads to be converted into customers. This one is from Jono Armstrong. He know he talking about because he's teaching over 4,000 people right now in his crew. Then you got bonus number 3. This is Endless Profit Reloaded. Learn how to drive traffic to your products. Also from my mentor, Jono Armstrong. And bonus number 4. This one is by me. Okay, this is $350 per day sending emails. Like, guys, you got that email list. You got to utilize it. Get $350 per day sending emails to generate your autopilot by pushing a button. And then you got bonus number 5, all special vendor bonuses, guys. So if you're interested and you really serious in making that money online, like starting that online business, you got to get into this. This is super duper dope. Guys, hit any of my yellow buttons on my bonus page. The link to my bonus page will be in my description or in my comments. So, like, it's right there for you guys. Don't miss it. And it's super duper cool because you'll be getting this all at a low price of $9.95. $9.90. That's super duper insane. $9.95 for all this information. He is tripping. But do you, boo boo, do you? This is super duper insane. Only for a low price of $9.95. If you want to get in more depth on detail of these upsells, you can totally hit up my link in my descriptions, guys. Don't forget, this is 100% beginner friendly. And this is backed by 4 years of him making money online consistently, guys. So if you're interested in checking it out, hit up my link below. Don't forget, Endless Profit is the information product detailed with the extra process using from $0 to $2,000 per week with affiliate marketing, guys. Don't forget, this is all about affiliate marketing. So if you're interested in affiliate marketing, making money online, this starter pack is for you because it's super duper cheap. Only starting at a front end price of $9.95. This your girl Key. Thanks for clicking on me. Don't forget, it's a limited time on my bonuses, but that's up for you to choose if you want them or not. But like I was about to say, this your girl Key. Thanks for clicking on me. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in my next video.